video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I keep in my flight attendant lunch bag. So this is one of the lunch bags that I use for my trips. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Allie and I am a flight attendant in the United States. And I vlog about the flight attendant life and show you how I balance motherhood while being a flight attendant at the same time. So if that sounds interesting to you, I would love to have you be a part of our little family here and subscribe and make sure you turn your notification bells on so that you never miss a video. So for the month of December, I'm actually going to be uploading a lot more often than usual. I'm not doing Vlogmas, but I'm doing maybe like every other day, every 2 days. I'm just trying to have fun. I'm feeling very motivated. I have tons of ideas and I'm really excited to get those videos done. So also, I am giving away one of these lunch bags in one of my recent videos. So I'm going to link that video down below in case you guys are interested in entering the giveaway for this bag. So this is by Ebags and I have had it for I want to say since 2016, 2017, so it's been a while. It's in great condition, especially because flight attendants can be very rough on their bags with throwing them around, getting on the shuttle and all that. So we're gonna get started with what is in this top compartment right here. So I'm gonna get started with this Go Stack right here. So I have had this for so many years and I like to use them for tons of things. Like I'll add it to my diaper bag and then probably add some formula there or some goldfish for my kids. But when I take it on my trips, I like to add some protein powder or whatever in here. So right now I have some Superfood mix in here. So this is some plant-based collagen by the brand Your Super. And I'm actually partnering up with them for this video. So thank you, Your Super, for sponsoring this video. So Your Super is a superfood mix that you can add either to your food, to your lattes, to your water, juice. You can bake with it, you can do whatever you want, and it's a good way for you to be able to get superfoods throughout your day. You will see here that I don't have a lot of healthy things. I mean, I try to keep it balanced. I tend to eat better when I'm away from home than when I'm at home. So I eat a little bit better, so that's when I plan healthier meals. So I have the plant collagen superfood mix right here in this top one, and what I do is I'll add 2 teaspoons to my coffee in the mornings, and that's a good way for my coffee to be a little bit more creamier and then for me to just be able to have you know, the collagen. And then in this bottom one right here, this little one, I have the Chocolate Lovers Organic Superfood Mix. All of Your Super products are gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, GMO-free. They don't have any sweeteners, so no stevia, nothing like that. Fillers, additives, preservatives, or anything artificial. They're very open with where they get everything from, like who they use to source things from. So this one right here is from Peru, Italy, Sri Lanka, and Bolivia. Another thing I really liked about the company is for everything that you buy, they actually give back to someone. They have a lot of information about that over on their website, so if you guys want to go look. But I'm actually using the Superwoman bundle, which you can find online too. And the way I like to use the Chocolate Lovers is in the mornings, I will put exactly 2 teaspoons. I have the exact servings ready to go for a 3-day trip. And then in my blender that I showed in my Amazon haul, I will add some almond milk that I'll either pack myself or grab from Starbucks, or even some water and then maybe a banana or strawberries if I pack them, and then just have that as a quick breakfast. The Moon Balance is actually really good with just plain water, so sometimes I'll add this to my water just for a little bit of flavor, and this one's good for like hormonal support and all that. And then the Forever Beautiful one, this one is full of berries, so you can add it to smoothies. And this one has chia seeds, acai berry, organic maki, I think, acerola, maca, and blueberry powder. So really like that. That's it for the ingredients. There's really nothing else in there. 100% transparent with us when it comes to the ingredients. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box in case you guys are interested in checking out Your Super. And if you guys happen to click on the link in the description box below, make sure to use the code ALLE, that's ALE, to save 15% off your order. moving on to the next thing that I have here is coffee. I carry instant coffee with me just in case I'm not able to get coffee at the airport, and sometimes it can add up, so I try not to do it so much. But this right here is called Café Listo, is from El Salvador, which is where I'm from. And then I'll add my collagen and some creamer that I will show you in a bit that I also keep in here. And there you go, I have my morning cup of coffee. Then in here I also have my silverware that I showed you guys. This has a fork, spoon, knife, chopsticks, and even some reusable straws. And I like that they come in this little case. Carry some pain reliever because headaches, migraines, all that good body aches. When you're a flight attendant, you're prone to that. So I always tend to keep those in my bag. I have some Crystal Light strawberry lemonade. I have some fruit and veggie spray. So whenever I have like fruit that I want to just clean up a little bit before I eat it, I'll spray some of this and then just rinse it. And if you've been with me for a while, you knew this was coming, the Chile Lime seasoning blend. I add that to everything. Food, fruit, everything. And then this right here is so cute. My friend Kat gave this to me. This is a collapsible wine glass. How cute is this? She got this for me when she went on a trip somewhere, and this is so cute. And then in this mesh zipper pocket, I keep a sterilizing bag for my pump parts. This is by Medela. And then I also keep some pre-workout. This is a sample that I got from Alani Nu. This is the, what is this? Rainbow candy. So I showed you guys that on this side I keep the blender, and then on this side right here I keep a bottle of mustard. So I like the spicy brown mustard. If you've watched some of my vlogs, I've talked about how much I dislike mustard. My entire life I've disliked mustard. And then I saw this girl on TikTok dipping her carrots in them, and I'm like, that sounds interesting. So I started to crave it, and now I can't get enough. I'm gonna show you guys what is in this front pocket before I show you guys what's in the main compartment. So I have this Ziploc bag, and in here I keep some more instant coffee. This is Café Bustelo. If you've been with me for a while, you know it's my favorite. So this is what I have with me. Sorry about the lighting. The lighting in this room is just so weird. I'm still trying to figure it out, so bear with me. We'll get there. We'll get this fixed. And then I carry these little creamers right here by International Delight. I really like the Cold Stone flavor, so I just have these here for whenever I make my coffee in the mornings. And then I also keep some Ningxia Red in there. This is all that is in there. I have tons of stuff. So let's start with the first thing that I see. And okay, I love Trader Joe's. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I go to Trader Joe's pretty often. And every time I go, I have to pick up one of these bags. These are the Savory Banana and Nuts Trek Mix. It's got seasoned green bananas, cashews, and pecans or pecans. How do you say it? Do you say pecans or pecans? Let me know. I have some Chobani Flip. I love this yogurt. It's a really yummy snack. So let's say I'm craving something sweet. This is what I have. I really like the s'mores flavor. They have tons of flavors, but the s'mores one is definitely my favorite. Then I have some olives. I have been really into olives lately. Again, olives are something that I didn't used to like ever growing up, but recently within the year, I have just been craving olives. I don't know why. And then I have this, I'm not sure how to say it, but it's Charcuterie Bites. It's got pepperoni, it's got Gouda cheese, it's got green olives. So good. It's so good, especially like if I want to have a glass of wine or something when I'm in the hotel room. This is just, it's really nice to just relax and watch some Netflix and, you know, just take some time to unwind after a very long day. And then I also have this yogurt right here. This is the Light and Fit Greek yogurt. I like the strawberry flavor. So I'll have this along with some hard-boiled eggs in the morning with my coffee. And that is a very filling breakfast, like it fills me up. And then I'll also pack some granola. I don't have any granola right now, so I will definitely have to go to the store and pick some up. And then I still have a lot of stuff in there. So I have these Rubbermaid containers. These are actually my favorite to get. I got these at Target. These actually have a little button right here for you to vent your food when you're heating it up in the microwave. So in here, I've got some chicken breast, and in this bigger one right here, I have some stir fry that I got from Costco. So all I did was saute this with some garlic olive oil, so good, and then I'm going to add some chicken breast. And the way I eat that is I have this collapsible container. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm sure you can find some on Amazon, and it just expands and then it collapses, and then there you go. You have a way to eat your meals and save some space. And again, if you've been with me for a while, you know that mango chunks are a must, especially with my chili lime seasoning. I love mango, it's my favorite fruit. That and watermelon, I love so much. And then I carry a big bag of carrots so that I can dip in mustard. So I'll get maybe a cup from the plane and squirt some mustard in it, and then just grab some carrots and just dip it in there. And that's a good way for me to avoid eating chips. Hot Cheetos, just chips in general, are a very, very big weakness of mine, sorry. So this is just a good way, because sometimes I just crave, you know, the crunchiness. And then the last thing I keep in my bag is a bag of M&Ms. I love M&Ms. They're just so addicting, and I like having them in there just so that I can grab a few throughout the day. And for some reason, when I have M&Ms, my own M&Ms, I don't eat the ones that we have on the plane. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, that is it for what is inside my lunch bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys check out your super in the description box below, and then that you check out the Amazon video if you guys want to enter to win one of these Ebags coolers. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.